Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Firefox Mozilla PKIX error MIT detected. So guys, if this ever happened to you, usually it is caused by antivirus, HTTPS scanning, or malware. So pretty much you could just simply disable the HTTPS scanning in your security software like Avast, Bitdefender, and Casper Sky. Now, if that doesn't work out, what you could try to do is go to your Firefox, and pretty much over here, you could just simply go for about :and config, and just simply select accept the risk and continue over here. And now you will have the search bar at the top, guys, and you could just simply search for this one, security.enterprise_roots.enabled. And if this is false, you could just simply click on this icon over here, toggle, and make sure that this one is true. Now, another solution, guys, is you could just simply update or reinstall any security software that you have, because sometimes resetting your security software can fix the issue that way. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.